Always time to clean the bathrooms. Oh, not today. I clean these bathrooms every day. Why do they smell like that? My word. Folks, just want to share an update of something that I did a few years ago. Actually, it's a reshoot of a video that I did. And I'm not going to talk long. I'm going to get to the footage. But bathrooms are probably the most viewed videos that I have on my channel, because bathrooms are something that gives us a problem. And just like I showed there, I walked in a bathroom today, and for whatever reason, humidity or whatever, I clean that bathroom regularly, and it just has that funky smell to it that's not fresh. It's really, it's annoying to me. And it's my bathroom, it's my area. I have 10 bathrooms that I have to take care of, and bathrooms have always been my, my pet peeve. So in this video, I'm going to explain some things I'm doing, trying to keep it short and brief. The thing about it is, I try to do this. It's just something I do, and that I don't have to bring out all this heavy equipment, just a hose. I'm not even using a brush or a machine. I know some of y'all guys have cat vac machines or whatever they're called, fancy machines. Don't have any of those things here. So I have to use what I've got, and I've always just done the water hose method, the mop method, a brush method, and whatever. So you're gonna see me do this right here. Before I move on into this video, I would like to take a moment just to tell you I appreciate you watching this channel. If you like what you see, you like the training and things like that, hit that little bell and get those notifications when I post new videos. I try to reply to all your comments and answer your questions. I'm sorry if I failed to do so. There's a lot of that comes in. A lot came in last week after last week's video on mops. So here's the bathroom footage. I'm gonna hush my mouth. Let's get learning. Learning? Let's get cleaning. Oh my word. I take my favorite disinfectant spray. I prefer NABC, but whatever your favorite bathroom disinfectant spray is, I just spray all my commodes, urinals, chrome. Then I take my toilet brush with my favorite bowl cleaner, which is NABC, and I clean the inside of my bowls, the outside of my blows. Do not do the chrome with a brush. Do that with a rag. So that's just kind of a better way of doing things. But just scrub that inside, outside, up under real good to get where that you're going to follow. You could make rules, but not that anybody would follow those, but you could, make some rules. Here I'm just taking a disinfectant, not a disinfectant, but an all-purpose cleaner, and I'm just spraying my stall walls, something that does not leave streaks. And I will simply just hose this off. I'm not going to scrub or anything, just kind of kill the smell a little bit. So after I get done doing that, I take my mop and I slosh my floor with a disinfectant. You can use disinfectant. Degreaser works really good. Not using a brush or machine or anything today. This is a very quick scrub down. I do have a better method with a mop, but doing it one-handed video and it's kind of hard to do. But I just keep scrubbing the floor, working that cleaner and disinfectant into the floor. Work it around your edges, up under your urinals and commodes very well. Then, of course, when we're done, we hose everything down under the sinks. Try to push all that water that we can toward our drains, and we wash our mirrors. Any splatter of cleaner we've got on the walls and everything, we just try to make sure that that is cleaned off really well. Wash that floor, wash that smell right on down that drain. Push that water and that soap toward that drain the best you can. Hose that chrome down, hose those urinals down, hose around your wall down, up under, hose it down good. Get her clean, get her clean, get her clean. Make her smell good. I've just done this method and it just really works well for me. And of course, y'all know how I am about my foam squeegee. It's one of my favorite tools. It's a lifesaver in the bathroom. And it really does a good job pulling that water and that dirt and getting it toward that drain. Then when I'm done with doing all that, one of my favorite tools also is my old famous mirror and window squeegee. Love this tool. Dry them mirrors. Sorry for this angle right here, but yeah, these blue rags, I love them. It's good for cleaning chrome, porcelain. These are disposable, and I just wipe everything down and get it dried, get those water spots off. Clean all your chrome on your urinals, commode stuff. Then after you get done, you can go back and clean your urinals, all the porcelain. That way you don't cross-contaminate anything from your urinals to your chrome. It just kind of wigs this out, that cross-contamination with that. And then I like to take a dry mop and go around any puddles or anything that's standing in my floor, and go around that and dry my floor. Then I suggest gloving up for this next thing. If you put urinal screens or anything in your urinals, or bow clips or anything like that, I would definitely suggest gloving up for this, because you would definitely get that smell on your hands. I like to turn on my writing in the same direction. Kind of a weird thing, I know, but I just do. If I have an extra one, I just cram it up under the plumbing in my sink. Put those bow clips on my walls. I don't like to put them in the urinals because they stick. And who does not love some chrome? Shining chrome. Yeah. I mean, it's even selfie worthy. You know what I mean?
All you trying to do is make the rest of us look bad. That's all you doing. Why you do that anyway?
So, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. I appreciate your support. Go out there and clean some bathrooms, because when you go out there and you make it smell all goody and all that good stuff in about 5 minutes, somebody's going to go in there and blow it up, and it's going to stink again. Have a great day.